Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So, keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maaring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaring mag-shift ang energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay? So, let's see. Wow! Tingnan mo naman to mga nangahulog na cards natin dito. We have here the Emperor, Hermit, Knight of Wands, Three of Cups. Oh, Six of Pentacles, the King of Wands, Lovers, and the Sun. So, ang lakas ng energy ng fire, especially Leo and Aries. Meron din tayong Gemini energy and the Virgo energy dito. Ang daming specific signs na lumabas sa ating tarot cards, no? Maaaring ito ay may twin flame energy to Kasi we have the Lovers, Three of Cups. So, parang ito na yung nagtutulak sa kanya to have this union of hearts with you, pero nagpaplano pa siya with the hermit. Ayan, naka-hermit mode pa siya. And talaga naman, this person really want to rush in towards you now with this Knight of Wands energy. So talagang this person is now passionate to do it. Parang decidido na siya na to make this move towards you, Divine Feminine. Yung bottom card natin, Four of Pentacles. Tingnan nyo naman yan, di ba? So, ayan, this person can't let you go. Talagang kahit na nagkaroon kayo ng separation, hindi kanya mabitaw-bitawan sa puso niya. Walang makakuha ng pwesto mo sa puso niya. Walang ibang pwedeng kumuha nun. And tingnan naman natin sa ating signs and the symbol card. So, we have the luck and sweets. Uy, this person is really missing you, lalo na yung mga sweet moments nyo together. And we also have here the candle, manifesting you. And we also have here the playing card. So, maaari kasing iniisip niya na, sorry kasi parang feeling mo, pinaglaruan niya yung feelings mo before And you also have your telephone. So, expect telephone call from this person. Kung you are dealing with this specific signs natin dito, Virgo, Aries, Leo, and Gemini. Ayan. So, tingnan natin yung bottom card. We have, wow, the ring. So, this person really want this commitment with you. Ayan. So, talaga naman, no? Tingnan pa natin more messages natin sa ating tarot messages oracle cards. Okay, tingnan natin. Can you forgive me? Unang card pa lang natin. Asking for your forgiveness. Diba? So, really, this person really want this reconciliation with the Three of Cups natin. Stubborn but practical. Ayan, I want commitment. See? This person really want commitment with you. And we're compatible to each other. You're so sweet and caring. So, ayan, another sweet card. So, talagang namimiss niya itong pagiging sweet and caring mo. Ayan, talagang gustong-gusto niya yon. And we also have, ayan nga lang, dahil may problema siya dyan, pride and ego. Sorry, I'm wasted. And the struggle is real. Yes, this separation talaga the struggle is real. So, yung bottom card, I have fear and anxiety. Yan, marami siyang mga unknown fears. So, tingnan pa natin dito sa ating The Hidden Truth oracle cards. I wish things could be different. My life is not as together as it seems. And we also have here, I left you before you could lead me. I couldn't let you get close to me. I lost myself for a little while. So, para siya naliligaw na tupa dito na hindi niya maintindihan itong nararamdaman niya. We both know I'm not the one for you. And I hid who I'm really am from you. And I know I was a distraction from your pain. So, yung bottom card natin, you don't know how hard it was to let you go. Para sinasabi, hindi ko ginustong layuan ka. Parang ganun. Ano ba itong mga dahilan niya dito? Pero hindi niya agad masabi-sabi yon. Kasi nga maaaring pinanindigan na lang niya. Naging practical siya, ganun. may something siya sigurong ginawa na desisyon na nagpaka-praktikal na lang siya noon kaya gano'n ang nangyari. So, dahil na-guilty siya at hindi nag-workout siguro yung mga desisyon niya, nahihiya siya kasi ayan, dahil mataas ang pride nitong taong 'to, eh. No, hindi niya kayang bumaba sa ano, hindi niya kayang ibaba yung pride na yun, eh, or lunukin yung pride na yun. Pero very, very soon, this person will call and ano na din, sabihin 'tong mga gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. Okay, so tingnan natin sa ating mahiwagang blue card, separation. Okay, and we also have here another commitment. So, talagang gusto niya ng commitment with you, ayan, and this passion. So, kasi itong passion na 'to very intense, eh, maaaring sa'yo lang niya naramdaman 'tong matinding passion na 'to. So, tingnan naman natin sa initials. So, let's see some initials nito. Letter D, B, E, bed, and G, ayan, beg. Ayan, may magmamakaawa pa. And we also have here R, K, H, T, P. Bottom card is X. So, ayan ang ating mga initials. So, tingnan naman natin ano bang message ng ating archangel sa reading na to. So we have here, wow, all is well by Archangel Jeremiel. Everything is happening exactly as it's supposed to. With hidden blessings, you will soon understand. O diba, ito mga nangyari sa inyo nitong taong to, ay balang araw maiintindihan din kung bakit nangyari ang mga bagay-bagay na yan. Diba? So, tingnan pa natin, ano pa, sa ating general signs and the messages. Okay, so we have here neighbor, Libra, Cup is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Kailangan ng patience. And we also have here beach, food lover, July, maring July 4, 4th of July, 4th of July, We have here Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, killer smile, future lover, sweet, trustworthy. We have here has a dirty sense of humor, intelligent, Gemini, practical, November, maring November 6, animal lover, gorgeous and very serious, rainy season, North PH, and amazing. Amazing fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, number 3, and September. Ayan. So, yan po ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.